welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamia Lea, and today I have a new video for y'all. I know it's been a minute since I posted, y'all, but I've just been like trying to do a lot of other things, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back and I'm about to run these videos up today. I'm dedicating today all day long. I'm gonna be making videos. I got story times for y'all and all kind of fun stuff. But anyways, I have a new palette, girl. I have a new palette. So this is my new palette, okay? It's called Spiced Up NK makeup. So I always use these type of palettes. Let me show y'all the other one. So like these palettes is made by the same person, but girl, I went to the beauty supply store. And girl, I seen this palette. I was like, oh girl, I gotta get that because that's real cute. So we're gonna do a makeup look with this palette. First of all, look at all the beautiful colors. Just did like a little swatch. I don't know if y'all can see it on my arm, but just a little, just so y'all can see the colors and everything like that. So I'm gonna wipe it off. So I don't know what kind of look I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie, but I don't know. I'm really thinking about doing like an orange look, but I don't know. Let's see. This is like in burgundy. I do. Ooh, look how pigmented that is, girl. Hold on, y'all. It took me like 10 minutes to figure it out, but I think I know what I'm gonna do. Okay. So I'm gonna start with this brand. Oh wait. I'm gonna start with this little tan color in the palette. And y'all, this palette was like, I don't remember. I honestly think it was like maybe $6. Cause I know, no, it's probably like $4. Cause I know the smaller ones are like $2, $1.99. But I'm gonna go ahead and add that light color as like a little base shade or whatever. And girl, we just gonna blend that out like so, like that. Alright. And I'm gonna go ahead and do it to the other eye too, because girl, just like that. And y'all, I've been sleeping on myself. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but I'm getting better at this makeup thing. I don't mean to toot my own horn, but if I don't toot it, who else gonna toot it? You know what I'm saying? So I'm definitely getting better at this makeup thing, and I am so happy because I love it. I love it. You know. I miss y'all. I haven't did a video. Well, I've been doing like, I used to post like 2, 3, 4 videos in a week. I just posted one last week. I'm like, girl, these folks is gonna unsubscribe to you, girl. You gotta get it together, okay? You gotta keep the people happy, you know, because I love doing my YouTube for y'all. I love creating videos for y'all. Like, y'all are like another family to me. You feel me? Like, y'all are legit. My YouTube subscribers, Kendra's Corner. If y'all don't follow Kendra's Corner, follow Kendra's Corner. I love Kendra's Corner. Okay? I love watching her cooking tutorials. She is so sweet. She is such a good supporter. Like, I love Kendra's Corner. So y'all check out Kendra's Corner, okay? Okay. So now that I've put that brown there, like, ooh, I need to blend that out a little bit. Now that I got that there though, I was serious in my last video, so I was like, this video, I'm gonna joke around, you know? I'm gonna joke around. Okay, I'm gonna blend that out a little bit right there. How that look? One eye always look better than the other. That's just life, okay? So if you do your eyeshadow and one side look a little better than the other, it's okay, cause that's life, you know? It's life. It is life. Alright, so now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna do a slight cut crease, okay? I don't know what glitter color I'm gonna use. These, ooh, I done got that one messed then I'm gonna pick which glitter color I want on my lid because, girl, oh, that's cute. Hold over. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We got some competition here, y'all. We got some competition with these glitter colors. Girl, they getting better with these glitter colors. And oh my goodness, I think I found the one. Y'all, look. Can y'all see this? Girl, it's the blue for me. It's the blue for me. I'm doing this blue. And the thing is, in here it looks green, but it's like a teal blue. Girl, ooh. Girl. This is cute. This is cute, 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 cute. So, do I want to cut the crease or no? This is my new brush. I got it from Ulta. I love it. I always see people on Instagram use this, like when they do cut creases or stuff like that. So I was like, let me get me a little brush like that. It's real cute and round and small. So we gonna see. This is gonna be
I'm a fan of that because I need it to dry so that I need one of those fans that you just hold like this, you know, just to. And you see how it looks tacky, like right up in there. That's okay because I don't want it to be that defined anyway. So I'm gonna fan that out. First of all, I ain't got nothing to fan with. Lordy.
quick promo. Shout out to Kara's Hair Crack. Y'all see that? Go follow her on Instagram. Them her prices right there. She has hair oils and stuff. And y'all, that's what I be using on my hair, okay? So, alright. So I'm gonna dip this in that brown a little bit. Just like that. Alright. So now, I'm gonna make it a little lighter. Because I really want this color to show up nice and vibrant. So I'm gonna actually get some of this lighter concealer, which I got from Julia's Place, and it's in the color 12. Yeah. So since this is a lighter concealer, I'm gonna dab that on there, and I'm gonna go ahead and let this dry, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side real quick. All right, my beautiful people, so I've already did this eye, as you can see. I don't know if y'all can see it, but yeah. So I did have to switch something up a little bit, but I'm gonna show y'all. So first I'm gonna go in with this greenish, bluish color, and I'm just going to pat it on my lid like this. Just like that. Yup. Ooh. So. So I'm gonna go in with this pinkish glitter right there. But first, I'm gonna wipe off my brush to get the green glitter off. And this is more pigmented than the green. Look at that. So it's more pigmented than the green, and ooh, got a little much. So it's a little much on there, but ow, this is cute. I love it, y'all. I don't even think I'm gonna have to put some pictures because I know the video is not doing no justice. Glitter tends to get everywhere. I'm just going to dust some of it off like that, just like that. Let me fix this light, girl. See if I can get y'all a little bit more. Ooh. Y'all see it? Really cute, really nice, really subtle. Okay. Alright, so now I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lashes. Like that. And alright, y'all. So I just added some eyeliner and I'm just putting on my little lashes. Alright, y'all, so this is the final look. Check me out. I didn't flatten my wig or anything. I literally just threw it on because I was like, it'll look cute with this. So I literally just threw it on, and so my eyeshadow is looking really cute. And these are my lashes. So if you want to shop my wigs, my site will be down below. If you want to shop my lashes, my site will be down below. This is the style Glamour Girl. I need to put my wig back a little bit. This is the style Glamour Girl. So that's basically it for this eyeshadow look. I don't know if y'all can see it, so I'm gonna shoot it with my other side of my camera because I don't think it's really pulling the glitter like I really need it to, you know what I'm saying? So but yeah, here's the palette. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll talk to y'all later.